Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're back here at the Spa Valley Railway and we're here for this Scottish Steam Up 2 event. So it's 818 Caledonian 818's 125th birthday. So what better way to do it and do it in style as a Scottish Steam Up 2. So Caledonian Railway's 419 has now come back to the railway and she's running from yesterday, today, and she will be running for another couple of weekends time. Unfortunately they are having some issues with her at the moment, so we are having a bit of a stand-in with the class 25. It's not ideal, but they are working on her in the shed at the moment and she is moving and she is in steam, so fingers crossed we're going to see her run at some point in the day. But join us as we celebrate 828's 125th birthday. So yeah guys, as you've just seen there, they are currently doing works on 419. Hopefully it is going to be back in steam very soon and can join the party and celebrations for today. Now they are currently working on Sir Keith Park there as well, and it is going to actually have its naming ceremony tomorrow, so I think they're getting the final touches. You've got 4144 Great Western Prairie loco that's still here on loan, and something I didn't expect to see still here is Class 50 Rodney is still here at the railway. So I'm not too sure what the situation of this is. It was down here for the diesel gala, but it's still here currently. So it's nice to see whether they've got some sort of deal that they might keep it here or when it's going to disappear. I don't know, but it's nice to see even if it is just static. So yeah, we're going to join the festivities eventually, and we are going to get a ride behind 828 and hopefully 419 as well. But before we do that, we're going to head down the road and we're just going to get a little bit of linesiding.
at platform 1 will form the 1345 service to Eridge. Service 44 at Eridge and Eridge only. Gentlemen, please grab my right station close down today. All our services will be formed at Eridge and Caledonian.
Quite magnificent, really. It's an old girl, but I'm very grateful to the 8-to-8 Club personally, who has happily been on loan for over 2.5 years now, and had to do a fair amount of work on her to keep her plodding along, but she's done several thousand miles in service of this railway, and when she's not in use, she lives quite happily in the shed at Tunbridge Wells or on days like this, taking upwards of 80,000 people throughout the year between Tunbridge Wells and Eridge. And we've got her a little Kate, she's 125 years old. There's plenty of life left in this old girl yet. The 8-to-8 Trust will eventually need support, or do want support from people to help them for its next overhaul. So if you pick up one of their forms, offer to give them a bit of money, that'd be much appreciated. It all goes towards the only one left. And whilst she is not in Strathspey at the moment in Scotland, I know there's a lot of people who do want to see her up there. She is lovely to look after down here. Freezer, Eridge Station, in Steve, keeping people happy, and it's Scottish partner is driving down back in traffic and coming to the countryside as well. That's what I say about a little birthday thing, you know, but I understand there's a check around the Sheffield towards the future of 828. If people want to come and step forward. Sorry, no, I don't know much about this. If you want to tell people what this is all about, by all means feel free if you can.
Yeah, so my name's Jack Morgan, so I'm on behalf of Wales and Sheffield here today. Obviously back in, I think 2021 it released, we did an exclusive model with Batman to bring the 812 class to double O gauge, and for each one of the preserved examples, which is here, that we sold, we were pleased to make a donation from each one to the 828 Trust. So we're very happy to support the ongoing maintenance of this amazing loco with this £2,000 donation. There you go. Yay! Well done.
So yeah guys, we're currently at Eridge Station. As you've just seen there, 828 has just celebrated its 125th birthday. Obviously they've made an absolutely amazing birthday cake for it. I've got a slice here now. I'm not normally a birthday cake person, but just such an auspicious occasion, celebrating 125 years of 828, I had to get a slice. So let's see how this goes. I think it's lemon flavoured, I think. Yeah, it is lemon flavoured. I'm not a birthday cake fan, but if you're a birthday cake fan, it's really, really good cake. I'm just not an icing person myself. But yeah, as you just saw in that clip there, Wales or Sheffield are actually currently here. I had a chat with them earlier on the train. Really, really lovely guys. So they're the ones that actually commissioned a model of 828, and they've come down here today just to get a few clips to celebrate its birthday and to hand over a big, big cheque of £2,000. So every portion of that percentage of a model that was sold of 828, it went to the 828 Preservation Society. So really, really nice to see them here. In terms of birthday cake, it's good as much as I can say. Don't really like it, but once again, happy birthday 828. So yeah guys, we've currently taken a break from the Scottish steam up at the moment, and we've actually walked around to the Huntsman Free House. So it's actually located just round the corner from Eridge. Really, really nice little hidden gem of a pub. The roast dinners are amazing, I can vouch for that here. So we just thought we'd pop round here for a quick drink before getting into more of the Scottish steam action. So I've gone for a nice Larkins Brewery Ale. Now, someone let me know in the comments down below. Larkins Brewery, it's not one that I've heard of, but obviously I know of the Larkins from Darling Buds and Mate. Now let me know if there's any association with this or not. I'd like to think that there is. Darling Buds and May is a brilliant British TV show back in the day. So I'd like to think that maybe they've named the brewery after them. 35 years does sound about right. But this is Larkins Brewery Ale. Let's give it a sip. it's not bad. It's quite mild, it's quite fruity, fairly drinkable. So what we're going to do, we're going to finish these drinks and then we'll get round and see more of 828 and 419.
Set back. My end of the train just turning on.
Yeah, it's really come on.
I can't even have the chip. I'm going to have to ride back on the thumper later. Yeah, I think 45 on the west. Okay. Slightly late, mate. Yeah, okay.
been our trip here to Spa Valley Railway, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed that. Celebrating 88's 125th birthday. I've really enjoyed it. Seeing 419 again, you know, a long lost friend from 2 years ago. It's been really good. Other than the gin and the photography, have you enjoyed anything at all?
I've enjoyed your company. It was lovely meeting the director of the railway. He was lovely, and do you know what? It's been a really lovely day. It's been, the people were lovely. It's just been such a nice atmosphere.
Yeah, and do you know what? It really has, to be fair. We've met the director of the railway. We've met the director of I say director, whoever you are, from Rails of Sheffield. Really nice having a chat with you. Ignore the face paint on my face. It's not face paint, it's mud. I say it's mud. It's soot from the steam train. It's covered my face. God knows why. No one else seems to get it. It's just me. Clearly 828 is in love with me. For whatever reason, I can't tell you. But it's been an amazing day. Like, comment, subscribe. Do you want to leave them with any note?
I love you all.
Yeah, see you later, guys.